Hi, this is Jay for TechCraft Arena, and this is the unboxing of Xiaomi Redmi 5. Let's quickly check what's there in the box. The box contains a clear soft case and the mobile, user guide, warranty card, adapter, a micro USB cable and a SIM ejector. The clear case fits the mobile very nicely and it is sleek. However, I still feel the camera would be prone to scratches. At the bottom of the device we can see speaker, charging port and one of the microphone. And at the top we can see 3.5mm audio port, infrared and a microphone too. On the right hand side of the device we can see volume keys, power button. On the left hand side it houses a SIM tray. (4G dual SIM) and the SIM tray is of hybrid which can hold Nano-SIM and a micro SIM or a micro SIM and a micro SD card. It would have been better if Xiaomi has provided a dedicated SD slot. When you place the device on the flat surface, the camera bump interferes with the surface. It comes with HD Plus display with 5.7 inches and 18:9 aspect ratio. The back of device is of metal body, however on the top and the bottom it is of plastic. The device is powered by Snapdragon 450 Octa-core processor with 14nm FINFET technology, which is set to handle the performance well and compared to its previous range of processors. The setup has been done and it comes with heavily customized MIUI 9.27 OS on top of Android Nougat, and the storage available out of the box is 23.59 GB. It has a 5 megapixel front-facing camera with LED Selfie Light, and the rear camera comes with 12 megapixel. It has a 1.25 micron large pixel which allows more light and hence better quality low light photo, and it just has a single LED flash, f2.2 aperture. The camera is capable of recording 1080p at 30 frames per second. Color reproduction is good at indoor. It has a LED notification and double tap to wake the screen. The fingerprint sensor is placed at the back, which is very easy and convenient to use. We will see more on the battery, camera and performance in the next video. Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe for more video. Have a good day.